مفردات الروتين اليومي بالإنجليزية. I wake up. I get up. I take a shower. I take a bath. I wash my hair. I iron my clothes. I get dressed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I make the bed. I brush my hair. I have breakfast. I do the housework. I go to school. I go to work. I go by bike. I go on foot. I drive. I catch the bus. I catch the train. I take a taxi. I arrive early. I arrive late. I start work. I take a break. I have lunch. I finish school. I finish work. I leave school. I leave work. I go home. I have a snack. I pay the bills. I buy groceries. I do laundry. I read Quran. I prepare dinner. I eat dinner. I do the dishes. I go to a cafe. I call friends. I do my homework. I take out the trash. I check emails. I chat with friends. I take a walk. I water the plants. I go to bed.